Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can highlight text on Google Chrome. So it's very easy to do. All you have to do is just go to the settings first. You can go to the settings by click on three dots at the corner, the top corner of your screen, and this is the settings. And you can click accessibility, and you can turn on show a quick highlight on the focus object. Turn this on. Next step, you can go to the Chrome Web Store and try to add highlighter extension. Add extension, and highlighter has been added to the Chrome. So let's open the journal or text or paragraph that you want to highlight, but refresh first to make it works, and right click, and this one, highlighter. And at the highlighter option, you can choose the highlight color first, for example the yellow by default. And this is the toggle cursor. You can right click, and here you go, the cursor change into the highlight icon. And let's try to highlight text in here by hold the right button of your mouse, and done. As you can see, the yellow highlight is turned on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next